CO2 extinguishes a fire by removing the oxygen, and therefore should not be used in a confined space. The correct technique for using the CO2 extinguisher is aim the horn at the fire and then let go of it. Remove the safety pin. Squeeze the handles together and extinguish the fire. If you find yourself confronted with a fire like this, whenever possible, switch off and unplug the appliance. The CO2 should be applied through any available opening until the fire is extinguished. The reason for switching off and unplugging first is that electricity provides the ignition source to start the fire, so once it's been removed, the fire may well die out of its own accord. CO2 may also be positioned to cover the risk presented by flammable liquids. As we mentioned earlier, CO2 is stored under very high pressure and it's therefore extremely powerful. So when using it on fires like this, don't put the nozzle too close to the fire, as you could cause the liquid to splash and spread the fire. So, stand back from the fire before you operate the extinguisher. Then move slowly towards the fire, moving the jet of CO2 from side to side in front of you. A point to remember with CO2 is that although the gas and part of the extinguisher becomes extremely cold, it doesn't have a significant cooling effect on the fire. So if the liquid is in contact with hot metal surfaces, the fire is liable to reignite. As CO2 as a gas is not really suited for use on fires out of doors, as the cloud of CO2 is liable to disperse before the fire is extinguished.